Hey nieces and nephews, it's Uncle Chris, and welcome to the most unusual food pantry haul I've ever gotten.
Oh, Chris, what you got cooking? Smells so good. Everyone's looking. Uncle Chris. Uncle Chris.
Hey guys, I went to the food pantry today and they gave me large bulk items. I'd never gotten large bulk items before, and this is cool. Of course, I'm going to share this with other people, but come and see what I got. It's really, really cool. We are starting from left to the right. Say hello, Jay.
Hi.
He's back. Look at this. We got, what, Jay?
Grapes.
Not just grapes, but box full. In fact, we got 2 boxes, but I'm sharing this with another family. We got tons of them. You know, I could make grape juice. I could. Yeah.
Also, a fun thing about these, I believe they're seeded. Or they still have all their natural stuff.
Well, they say organic seedless. Now, I don't know how they could be organic and seedless.
Never mind.
Yeah. Now, we're going to jump over here. Ooh. We've got milk. A whole carton of milk. And I don't mean just regular carton. I mean a whole box here.
There's not 1, not 2, not 3, but 4, 5, 6, or 7 milks.
That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You're right. Little genius.
I mean,
Yeah, I know. Look at this, guys. We got a bag of onions with bags of.
that's not a bag. That's a ton.
Yes. Look at all this. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, like 8 or 9, maybe 10 bags of
A
onions.
bajillion.
Yes,
That's
in
what it
here.
is.
And you know what? Of course, like I said, I'm going to share this with another family. Actually, 2 of them. I will make my onion soup. My other soup is coming. It's coming. I'm so sorry this video was late. But now, look at this.
Yeah, we have bread on bread on bread.
Look, the donuts.
We should probably not eat those.
Do you want them?
Maybe.
Okay. We also got some honey crunchy oat. Ooh, sourdough
And my personal favorite,
potato.
I think you mean tater.
Taters. Then we got some brioche buns. We got 2 of those. Then what is this, Jay?
Oh, it's white bread.
Whoa, 2 loaves of that. We got hot dog buns.
Is that another one of hot dog buns?
This is, it says artesian style. I've never had these before.
Oh,
Let's try them and see how they are.
we will.
And then we got some brioche loaf. That's cool.
Alrighty.
So we got a really unusual haul this time. Wow, nieces and nephews, I've never gotten anything like that before. I haven't. And it's good because onions, milk, grapes, that's good. It's healthy stuff. You can make a lot of stuff with. You know, with the grapes, I could make some grape juice. You can also make grape jelly, grape jam, wine if you wanted to. You can make onion soup. You can make salads. You can make fried onions. You can make onion rings. You can make baked onions with the the chicken bouillon and stuff. Yeah, that with the butter and garlic and and the bread. Come on, delicious stuffing, sandwiches, you name it. Yeah. Now I want you to like, comment, subscribe.
The mystery hands are telling you to subscribe.
Write to me, Uncle Chris, the Food Pantry Chef at gmail.com. If you need food, please reach out to me. And I'm going to reach out to that special person who wrote to me. I'm so sorry for the loss of your husband. I really am. Because the loss of a loved one is just not good.
Rest in peace.
Yeah. All right. Till the next time, which will be tomorrow. Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Till tomorrow. Big love from Uncle Chris and Jay.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Oh, Chris, what you got cooking? Smells so good. Every